Hello fellow YouTubers. I have them already installed, but I got two of these. I'll be showing pictures of them. I got them installed today on my long tractor today on the deck. It took a couple hours, but I had to get two new spindles. Bolts came in instead of 4, as you can see. I got two new blades, the proper ones. I had universal blades on the deck, but the rotation, the RPMs for them was too much. They're for a lawnmower, not for a deck. So I decided to order two new blades, the proper blades, goes for that deck. And I ordered a pulley for it and the pulley adapters. So it's all together, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to post pictures in this video to show you what I ordered and what they look like. Now I don't have a video of me putting them on because it took a couple hours and I was being distracted by other individuals from the household. So anyway, it's going to be a short video. I'm going to show you what I ordered and let you know that the deck now runs a whole lot better, or runs a whole lot smoother with new parts, and I don't have that one welded with the bolt that stripped last year on me. I was trying to put it on with the new, put the new bearings in. Well, I can't get the bearings out of those, are totally destroyed. I tried to get the old bent pulley up, but that would not come off. The adapters, blade adapters, would not come off the old one, so that's why I ordered new ones. And so, anyway, make a long story short, here will be the pictures of the stuff I ordered. Now they're on the deck, and the deck, like I said, works perfectly. There's a little bit of vibration, but not as much as it used to be. So anyway, that's about it. Take it away. Peace.